2 ways to share your project, depending on who's on the other side. From the top bar, click Share. The drop-down offers Facebook, X, or Link. Pick Link to open the share dialog with 2 URLs, an editor link, which lets the recipient open and modify the project, and a viewer link, which is read only. Tick Include camera type and position on the viewer link to drop your guest right onto the exact shot you want them to see. The second way to share a project is from your dashboard. Click Share on any project card. The dialog offers a project link in 3 formats: editor, light, or mobile. Pick whichever fits your audience. Below, the Invite a Collaborator section works just like Google Drive. Type another AAVENU user's email, send the invite, and they can open and edit the project right alongside you. 1 link for a quick look, 1 invite to build together.